The elegance of rum is in the true balance. It is when a person can sip your rum and taste your rum and it brings them back to your sugarcane fields and your crystal water running through the coral stones and that nice breeze. It brings you back to Mount Gay. My name is Trudy Ann Branker and I am the master blender for Mount Gay Rum. Mount Gay is unique because of where we are. We have been producing here on the same location for over 300 years. Mount Gay is unique because Barbados is the birthplace of rum. Mount Gay and rum is part of Barbadian culture. You're passionate about it from the start. We have a deed dating back to 1703, which speaks about rum production here at the site. As master blender, it is my role to not only uphold 300 years of tradition, but also innovate for the Mount Gay portfolio. We have our Eclipse, Black Barrel, and EXO, which are a family, but unique in their own ways. What is unique here at Mount Gay is the attention to detail. We taste each blend. I taste each barrel that goes into each blend. There are no set computerized recipes that you type in and then it produces a blend. That's not what we do here. It's about going into the barn, selecting the barrels, tasting each barrel. We're gonna definitely stay true to our traditions, but what we're gonna do is gonna show you some new ways to look at Mount Gay, and that is innovation. It's about being able to bring that creativity to something that's been tried and has been crafted for over 300 years. So innovation is exciting. I'm here to uphold these same traditions, but to put my spin on it, to put a new take on how Mount Gay moves to the next level. What to me is a little more interesting is the premiumization of rum. Persons wanting to know how their rum is made, persons being more interested in sipping rum. It is sipping it and understanding each detail that goes into making the rum while enjoying the rum the same way. To me, that is really interesting and exciting for the future.